So the other day I took some videos of our Partridge Silkies, which got taken by a fox not long afterwards. So we've got these Foxlights now. And since we've got these, we actually haven't had foxes come back. So that's always a bonus. It actually flashes with the lights here. I don't know if you can see that, but they flash blue, red and white from memory. I'm not sure if there's a green there as well, but it's sort of a bit freaky when you look out the back and you see looks like police lights. So it can actually hook to your fence. So it's got little hooks there. It's got some bits you can screw in here, and it's also got like a slide, so you can just slide it in. So we found these to be really good. So now Patrick wants to buy some more of these. And yeah, they actually take a you know the dolphin batteries? It takes those. I'll just open it up and show it to you. This is it here. So there's your battery that it uses. This is a 6-volt big battery. The cap. And then it just looks like that on the inside. But yeah, no, they're really good.